As a major economic power in Europe, Germany is located at the crossroads of Central Europe and has a temperate maritime climate. Traditional preservation methods are unable to meet the long-term storage requirements for food and medicine. Moreover, Germany has strict demands for high-quality life and drug safety, which makes freeze-drying equipment highly favored. The Camolo freeze-drying machine stands out for its economic efficiency and has been widely adopted. From processing agricultural products such as Black Forest cherries and Bavarian hops to preserving specialty meat products, it can perform outstandingly and has become a popular choice in the market. Household equipment can turn seasonal berries into dried fruits to meet household storage needs. Industrial-grade large-scale equipment can extend the shelf life of grains and dairy products in agricultural exports. In the pharmaceutical industry, it ensures the stability of drugs in complex environments. Freeze-drying equipment plays a crucial role in various fields. The Camolo freeze-drying machine in the German market is lower than similar products in Europe and the United States. Its energy-saving design is highly consistent with the German green development concept. These beautiful and magical freeze-drying machines inject strong impetus into the high-quality development of the German economy.